We are happy to announce that our students have participated in Silambam competition conducted by Tamil Nadu Nadasari Silambam Vilayattu Kalagam. I invite our Vice Principals, Mr. Kannan and Mrs. Selvi Joseph, to distribute the prizes. Suwana has secured first prize and Abdul Ahad of grade 4A has secured third prize. Muhammad Rafan of second A has secured the first prize and the merit certificate. Strafaya of grade 4B had secured third prize. Jay Hasini of 4A has secured third prize.